Because if you're struggling with the RA perm, here's the algorithm for you. For recognition, we have headlights over here, and the only block in the entire upper layer is this one to the side. Do not confuse this with the T-perm with blocks on both of the sides. For this algorithm, put the headlights to the left over here, and then do R, U prime, R prime, U prime, and then R, U, R, D with your left ring finger, D, R prime, U prime, R, D prime with your ring finger again, R prime, U2, R prime. Do a soft regrip on the second R, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, and then do this R by pushing with your right hand like that, and you can immediately place your thumb over here, proceeding with the rest of the algorithm. U, R, D, R prime, U prime, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime. An alternate execution for this algorithm is you'll start with a regrip by putting your thumb on the bottom of the cube and then do R, U, R prime, F prime, R, U2, R prime, U2 prime, R prime, F, R, U, R, U2 prime, R prime. A little bit faster, it looks like. Subscribe and follow for more cubing tips.